Hi everybody, and once again welcome to Pankaj's Echelon Tutorials, and this is a continuation video of your additional mathematics for IGCSE, and today we are going to continue with exercise 3.2, and last time I think we completed up to question number 3. So today we are going to start with question number 4, and as you can recollect, this is from a book by Pemberton, and the book name is Additional Mathematics, and this is the second edition that I'm using. Okay, and in this book, chapter number 3, the name of the chapter is Indices and SURDS. This is what I am right now solving the exercise from this chapter. Okay, so 3.2 exercise we were on to, and question number 4, sub question A, B, C, D. There are 4 questions in this sub questions A, B, C, D, which we are going to solve now. So question number 4 is basically solve the equation, and sub question A is 2 raised to a 3x multiplied by 4 raised to a x plus 1 is equal to a 64. This is the equation given right in front of you, and we have to solve this equation. That means you have to find the value of x. Now let us try to do what we can do. Now this is 2 raised to 3x, this is 2 raised to x plus. First of all, what I will do is I'll try to make all the bases same. So this will be 2 raised to 3x as it is. This 4 can be written as 2 raised to 2, and then I can write x raised to 1. And 64 I can write as 4 into 4, 8 into 8 is 64, right? And 8 into 8 means 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3, that is 2 raised to 6. So 2 raised to 6 happens to be 64. Okay, now you can see this can be again written as 2 raised to 3x multiplied by 2 raised to, now this 2 will multiply with this x plus 1, that will give me 2x plus 2 equal to 2 raised to 6, right? Now on the left hand side, I can do one thing. I can do this 2 raised to 3x plus 2x plus 2 equal to 2 raised to 6. Now here I am using this rule, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. On the left hand side, I am using this rule. So this happens to be 2 raised to 3 plus 2, 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 2 equal to 2 raised to a 6. Now because the bases are same, I can equate the powers, which I am doing now. 5x plus 2 equal to 6. The reason is, if a raised to m into a raised to n, okay, rather a raised to m equal to a raised to n, if a raised to m is equal to a raised to n, this implies that m is equal to n, right? So when the bases are equal, the powers can be equal. Now this will give me 5x equal to 6 minus 2 is 4, and x will be equal to 4 upon 5. So I'm getting the answer for x as 4 upon 5. So question number 4, sub question A, the answer is 4 upon 5. And let me check out behind the book. And behind the book, the answer is given as 0.8. Now I suppose this 4 upon 5 in the decimal form should work out to 0.8. Let me check that as well. 4 upon 5, 4 divided by 5 is equal to, yeah, that's correct. It is 0.8. So you can write either x equal to 4 upon 5, or you can write it as 0.8 in the decimal form. Both are correct. So that was question number 4 ka sub question A. Now let us move on to sub question B. Sub question B says that, okay, 2 raised to 3x plus 1 multiplied by 8 raised to x minus 1 is equal to 128. So again, let me make all the bases same. So this is 2 raised to 3x plus 1, which I am keeping as it is, multiply by this 8 can be written as 2 raised to 3, and then x raised to minus 1 is to the power of that, equal to, now this 128 can be written as 64 into 2, and 64, as we have seen, it is equal to 2 raised to 6. and 2 raised to 6 into 2 will be 2 raised to 7. So ultimately this 128 can be written as 2 raised to a 7. Okay, 2 raised to a 7. Okay, so 2 raised to 7 happens to be 128, right? uh, yeah, right. So that being done, now again what I will do is 2 raised to a 3x plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to, now this 3 I'm going to multiply with x minus 1. So that will give me 3x minus a 3 equal to 2 raised to 7, right? Now on the left hand side, I'm going to use the rule number 1, and I'll make this as 2 raised to 3x plus 1 plus 3x minus a 3 equal to, this is right hand side, 2 raised to 7. I'm keeping as it is. This will work out to 2 raised to 3x plus 3x is 6x, and 1 minus 3 happens to be minus 2. This is equal to 2 raised to 7, right? Now because the bases are equal, the power can be equated. So I can write this as 6x minus 2 equal to 7. This will give me 6x equal to 7 plus 2, 9. This will give me x equal to 9 upon 6, which in turn will be 3 upon 2, okay, or 1.5. So your answer for this B is either 3 upon 2, or you can write it as 1.5. Now let me check the answer behind the book, and if it is correct, we will proceed with the C question, okay? And it is perfectly correct. It is 1.5. So let us proceed with the sub question C. Sub question C is saying that you have in bracket 2 raised to a 2 minus x, then another bracket you have 4 raised to a 2x plus 3, and this is equal to a 8. Fine, okay. So what I'll do is this 2 raised to 2 minus x I'm keeping as it is. This bracket mein this 4 I can write as 2 square, and then I can write this 2x plus 3, and this 8 I can write as 2 raised to 3. Fine. Now again I'll do 2 raised to 2 minus x bracket. In this bracket I'll do what? 2 raised to 2 into 2x plus 3, that will be 4x plus a 6, right, equal to 2 raised to 3. Now I can see that here everywhere the bases are same, or rather let me do the left hand side first. So this is 2 raised to 2 minus x multiplied by 2 raised to 4x plus 6. So using this, if a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n, we are going to use this, okay? Not if, this is the rule, okay? So on the left hand side I can write 2 raised to 2 minus x plus 4x plus 6 equal to 2 raised to 3. Fine. Now 2 raised to, now 2 plus 6 is 8, and minus x plus 4x is 3x. This will be equal to 2 raised to 3. Now because the bases are same, I can equate the power. So 8 plus 3x is equal to 3. 3x equal to 3 minus 8, which is equal to a minus 5. So x will be equal to minus 5 upon a 3, which is nothing but minus. Now 5 upon 3 in the decimal form, if I want to write, it should be actually how much? Let me check out. 5 divided by 3 is 1.666. Okay, so minus 1.67 I can write. So the answer for this C, subquestion C, is what I got. Now let me check it. So in the book behind, the answer for C is given as minus 5 upon 3, which is absolutely correct. Okay. Now let us go for the subquestion D. Subquestion D says that you have a 3 raised to a x plus 1 times a 9 raised to a 2 minus x, okay, equal to 1 upon 27. Fine. So what all thing we can do? First I'm going to write this as it is. Then this 9 I'm going to write as 3 square, and I'll raise it to 2 minus x. And this 1 upon 27, this is 27 raised to 1. So this, if I take in the numerator, it will become 27 raised to minus 1, right? Okay. Now, let us see what can be done. Okay. So this can be again written as 3 raised to x plus 1 into 3 raised to 2 into 2 minus x will make it 2 to the 4 minus 2x. And what I'll do about this 27, I'll write this 27 as 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Okay, only this 27 I'm writing as 3 cube. And you have a raised to minus 1, so I'm writing that over here. So I get this equation. Now I can see that the bases are becoming equal everywhere. So again I'll do this 3 raised to x plus 1 times 3 raised to 4 minus x, 2x rather, equal to 3 raised to, now 3 into minus 1 happens to be minus 3. Okay. Now on the left hand side I can use the first rule and write this as 3 raised to x plus 1 plus 4 minus 2x. Okay. Equal to 3 raised to minus 3. This can be written as x and minus 2x. So it will be minus x, and 4 plus 1 will make it 5. So minus x plus 5 equal to 3 raised to minus 3. Now I come to a stage where the two bases are same. So I can equate the powers as minus x plus 5 equal to a minus 3. Now if I take this minus x over here, it will become plus x. And if I take this minus 3 over here, it will become plus 3. So I get x equal to 8. This is the answer for the D sub question. So let me check it and verify whether that's correct. And for the sub question D, the answer for x is 8, which is absolutely correct. Having done question 4, let us go for question number 5. Now, as we move further into the exercise, you will find that the questions will become a bit tricky and tougher. Okay. Now, question number 5 says solve each of the following. Again, you have to solve this. And in this sub question A happens to be 27 raised to a 2x upon 3 raised to a 5 minus x equals 3 raised to a 2x plus 1 upon 9 raised to x plus 3. Okay. Now this is your equation and you have to solve this. That means you have to find the value of x. Okay. Now what I'll do is first I'll try to make all the bases same. So this 27 can be written as 3 cube whole raised to 2x. This is already having the base as 3. So let me keep it as it is. 3 raised to 2x plus 1. Here also the base is already 3. So let me keep it that way only. Here this 9 I'm going to write as 3 square and then x plus 3. Okay. I hope you understood what I did here. Now what I'll do, 3 raised to 3 into 2x will be 6x upon 3 raised to 5 minus x I'm keeping as it is equal to 3 raised to 2x plus 1 again I'm keeping as it is. Here what I'll do, 3 raised to 2 into x plus 3, that is 2x plus a 6. Done. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this rule number, whatever it is, 4 or 5. I'm writing here a raised to m upon a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. This is the rule that I'm going to use. So on the left hand side, I can write this as 3 raised to 6x minus a 5 minus x. Now see, remember here, you have to make use of brackets so that you're not making any mistakes. Here on the right hand side, it will be 3 raised to 2x plus 1 minus a 2x plus 6. Now see, I'm writing this 2x plus 6 in bracket because there's a minus over here. Okay, so you have to be very careful here. Now this will work out to 3 raised to 6x minus, now I'm opening the bracket. So when I open the bracket, this will be minus 5, this will be plus x. And here same way it will be 3 raised to 2x plus 1 minus 2x minus a 6. Now this will work out further to 3 raised to 6x plus x is 7x and then minus 5. And this will be 3 raised to 2x minus 2x is gone and 1 minus 6 is minus 5, right? So at this stage, what I can do is, because the bases are equal, I can equate the power and write 7x minus 5 equal to minus 5, 7x equal to minus 5 plus 5, which is equal to 0. So 7x equal to 0. So my x will be equal to 0 times 7, which is nothing but 0. So the answer for this question, the question number 5th ka A part, okay, the A sub question, we are getting as 0. And let us check it and verify whether our answer is correct or not. And it is absolutely correct. Okay, so x for this question number 5 sub question A, x is equal to 0. Now coming to the B part. Okay, B says that 4 raised to a x divided by 2 raised to a 3 minus x equal to 2 raised to a 3x divided by 8 raised to a x minus 2. Fine. Now again, first thing what I will do is I'll make the bases equal. So 4 can be written as 2 square whole raised to x upon 2 raised to 3 minus x equal to 2 raised to 3x. And here this 8 I'm going to write as 2 raised to 3 and I'm going to write x minus 2. Next step, may I'll do this. 2 raised to 2x means 2 whole raised to x. So this will become 2x upon 2 raised to 3 minus x equal to 2 raised to 3x, and this will become 2 raised to 3 into x minus 2, that is 3x minus 6. So this you have to do this way, 3 into x minus 2 equal to 3x minus 3 2s are 6. Okay, that way. Now we are going to use this rule, a upon m, a raised to m upon a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. This rule we are going to use for both left hand side as well as right hand side. That will give me 2 raised to 2x minus 3 minus x. See how nicely I am putting it in brackets so that there should not be any mistake. This will become 2 raised to a 3x minus a 3x minus 6. Okay, wherever you come across a binomial, two terms, okay, and if you are subtracting or addition also, okay, you have to use brackets. That's always advisable. Now this will work out to 2 raised to, this will be 2x minus, now just opening the bracket, minus 3 plus x. Here it will become 2 raised to 3x minus 3x plus a 6. This will work out to 2x plus x is 3x minus a 3. Here this will work out to 3x minus 3x is gone and you're left out with 6. Now because the bases are equal, you can equate the power and write 3x minus 3 equal to 6. 3x equal to 6 plus 3, 9. X equal to 9 upon 3, which is equal to 3. So the answer for sub-question B happens to be 3. And that if I check behind the book, it's 3. Now let us go for sub-question C. Sub-question C of question number 5 says that 2 raised to a x plus 4 upon 8 raised to a minus x equals 64 upon 4 raised to a half x. Okay? Chalo. Now let us see what we can do. 2 raised to x plus 4 I'll keep as it is. This 8 I'm going to write as 2 raised to 3 and then I'm going to write raised to minus x. This 64 I'm going to write as 2 raised to how much? It will be 8, 8 is 64, 3, 3, so 2 raised to 6. And this 4 I'm going to write as 2 square and then I'm going to write this half x. Okay. Now, next step, 2 raised to x plus 4 as it is upon 2 raised to 3 into minus x will be 2 raised to minus 3x. Okay. Remember here, I'm using this a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. Again here, this 2 raised to 6 I'm keeping as it is. And here I'm using the same rule. So it will be 2 raised to 2 into 1 by 2 x. Now this 2 gets cut and you get 2 raised to x. So I'll get here as 2 raised to x. Got it? Now we are going to use a raised to m upon a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. This I'm going to use. This will make me write this as 2 raised to x plus 4 minus of minus 3x equal to, here I can write 2 raised to a 6 minus a x. Now if I open this, this will be 2 raised to x plus 4 minus minus plus 3x equal to 2 raised to a 6 minus x. Now because, no, let me work out this also. 2 raised to x plus 3x is 4x plus a 4. And this will be 2 raised to 6 minus x. Now, because the bases are same, I can equate the powers and write 4x plus 4 equal to 6 minus x. Now I'll take all the x on one side. So it will be 4x plus x equal to 6 minus a 4. 5x equal to 6 minus 4 is 2. X equal to 2 upon 5. And 2 upon 5 happens to be in the decimal form. I suppose it should be 0.4 if I am not mistaken. 2 divided by a 5 is equal to, yeah, it is 0.4. Okay. So the answer for the D sub question of this question number 5 happens to be 2 by 5 or 0.4. So that was question number 5, and I think I cannot go any further. And question number 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, okay, which are remaining in this exercise 3.2, we will try to complete in the coming videos. For this today's video, that's enough. I'm going to stop it right over here, and I'll say that take care and goodbye all of you, and see you in the next video. Bye.